Imagine that it's raining, storming even, in this parking lot. Where's all that water gonna go? Well, it goes to the lowest point, which is typically a storm drain. And storm drains like this flow directly into drains or streams or rivers. And usually there's a sign on there that says that. But we often forget that this water goes right into our river and lakes even. So anything that the water picks up from this parking lot goes right into the river. That could include oils and anything leaking from your car. That could include litter that's sitting around in this parking lot. So something easy that we can do that saves us money in the long run is keeping our car well maintained, making sure there's no leaks happening, to protect our river from getting that excess oil or other contaminants from our cars. And we can pick up the litter that's sitting around these parking lots. It's pretty easy to do, especially litter that's sitting right next to the storm drain, because we know where that's gonna go, right into the river.